So msalaba 1, F sharp, asili 5, then you play so after playing this you end up to this. This is a C sharp. This is like just playing the flat C sharp diminished. Play the 5, C sharp, E and G. Tattoo at the cross, where I first saw the light. Walk away. Then you play. And then this one. My side. And now I am happy. So let's now show it again. At the cross. Are you seeing what I'm playing? The one. At the cross, where I first saw the light. So 5. So the light. This is C sharp, E, G, and B flat. This is playing the 2. G sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. This is a B, D sharp, G sharp, no, F sharp, G sharp, and B. Then you come here. Play this one as you remain on the 2. This side you just play the 1 and the 5 and the 2. Oh, you need to play the melody. But I'm playing as octaves. So this is like playing the 6, 2. Just play the 6, 2, 3. You come to 6. I wanted to play the 6, 2, 5, 1, but it will be long. It won't. Actually, it won't play. It won't. It will be long. Like it play. It's long, so I just play I shorten it. I play the 6, 2, 3, then 4, then this chord. This is C diminished. This is just 1/5. There. This is D minor. You see the chords. The chord is 1, 7, flat 2, 2, 2, then 1/5. 2, this is 2/5. Then play 2, 6, 2, 3, 4. Then flat 5 diminish, flat 5, 1/5. Flat 6 minor to 6. But you can avoid that. You can just do flat 2, then to 2, then 5. Yeah, like that.